There are three areas critical to the success of the Black community in Africa and the African diaspora. They are culture, education, and economics. In this video series, we continue to examine issues and concepts in the field of culture, which those who care about the Black community can examine and consider. What is culture? In our previous video, we said that culture is derived from the word cultivate. Culture, cultivate. For people, it means 1, preparing you for life. 2, fostering your growth. 3, improving you as a person and as a community by labor, care, and study. Let's carefully examine and analyze the things that we call culture. Music, food, movies, songs, clothing styles, games, our daily interactions with each other. Now ask yourself 3 basic things about any of those things that you do. Does it prepare me for life? Does it foster my growth? Does it improve me, my family, and my community? You might say, we enjoy and love our music, clothing styles, food, songs, books, music, games, and ways of doing things. So what? It's not exactly a culture. We've always lived this way. Why do we need a culture now? Let's look at that. One of the words associated with culture is civilization. What is civilization? Culture civilizes people. But why do we need civilization? Why do we need civilizing? The human brain is actually 4 different brains. 2 of those brains are associated with animals. One is called the reptilian brain, or R complex. It is called that because it is like the brains of reptiles. The other animal brain is called the mammalian brain, or limbic system. It functions like the brains of mammals. The 2 animal brains in humans are important because they're hardwired to help us survive in many different ways. But they are also a problem because the multitude of emotions, sensations, impulses of the 2 animal brains can be destructive to higher human activities like relationships and collective organization. Culture helps to control the impulses of the animal brains and channels their functions into productive human endeavors. Without culture, a people cannot gain control and channel the emotions, sensations, and impulses of their animal brains. If we step back and look at our communities and the people around us, that is what we see. A common culture civilizes the expression of the animal brains in humans and gives us the opportunity for advanced social development and organization. By civilizing the animal parts of man's nature, a common culture creates trust. Trust allows organization. Establishing trust and being organized allows you to start businesses, support businesses, generate incomes, acquire land, build homes, secure the safety of your women and children, bring true correction to wrongdoers, and allows you to interact with the world in ways that benefits you and your community. The truth is, you've historically had advanced social development and organization. Study the history of your ancestors, not just for dates and facts, but to understand how they did things, to understand the internal systems they used to build civilization and organization that lasted for thousands of years, based first on culture. That is what's been lost to you. The next question is how? How did they do it? How can you do it? Let's discuss that in our next conversation. You can always leave comments and questions. Until then, do good, do no harm.